Fish on, 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 fish on. Fish on. This one. You've got to be kidding me. Look at this, look. Fish on. Another one. Fish on! There's a few fish on the finder here, Jay. Just on the finder, there's a few fish.
Yeah, I'll catch it up here, mate. All the small ones.
Another nice fish. Fish on. Another nice little fish. Fish on. Fish on. Double pollock. 1, 2. Fish on. Yippa! What the fuck is he down here? Have a nice little baby pollock that doesn't want to play ball. Fish on. It's a better fish, finally. He's a nice one. Or she, it. That is a welcome fish. So welcome. And on the jigging, so a happy day. On the Cedra 80 gram, mackerel colours. Fish on. Another one. Cedra. Let's get it back. Go ahead, Rob, what was you saying? Yeah, I'll take a photo of you, mate. If you've got a decent fish, I'll come back.
Yeah. Okay, mate. Cheers.
Turning round on the way back. Yep.
Cheers, pal.
No bother all. That's what we're all here for. Common goal and all that friendly box. I'll go back up here for 20 minutes and then we'll regroup. See what I can find. Yep. Nice one. Let's get it back. Come on. It's been teeming with little fish down there. One. Fucking cool. Another one. Fucking getting smaller ain't the word, Barry. Yeah. That feels a bit of fish. Fish on. Yippa. Another foul hooked fish. They love getting foul hooked around here. Monsters. Oh, not another tiddler. Come on, man. My arms are can't keep reeling these little fish in. It's got to be a better one, isn't it? Bigger than mine. That's another one. Time for a bit of trolling. Where are the big fish? Where are those big fish? Pardon? Yeah. Shh. Fish on. Finally, slightly better fish. Hopefully the side of things to come on the way back. Let's go, let's go. Another nice fish. Fish on. There's another nice one. See if we can't find a few more of the bigger ones. A bit more sport, a bit more fun. Beautiful job. Fish on! Heading around the corner. It's getting windy. Do not want to be out. Gale 57, gale 405 wind or whatever stupid measurement wind is measured in. It should just be measured in bloody gustaroonies. Today it's 74 gustaroonies. So we are now getting around this corner. We're going to turn. We do not want to be this side of that corner whilst Mother Nature is adjusting the Beaufort scale, or in my case, Windaroonie scale. It's far better, it's far more effective scale, as you can already tell. I've only just invented it, but it sounds better. So, another one. Let's get it back. Oh, the wind's picking up. See, give us another hour, will ya? He, she, them, it, nature. picking it up, mate. We can't see you, so if you ain't got a picture, it didn't happen. Let's go, let's go.
Like it's the Skye people.
Send it back. Stupid little fish. Another one. They're all tiny again. Tiny. Where the fuck are just putting up a bit of a fight. Another nice one. Let's keep going. We've got some right coming in. And ahead of us we've got some right horrible black skies. This is off my local beach. This is one of the most out back and beyond places. Only what the tail trip was really. Fishing is not a relaxing sport. Fish on! Fish. Where are these big fish at, Barry? Where are these big fish at? The grande fish! All I can catch is lemino, the tiny maggot fish. getting blown to by fish on the minnow poisson. Tiniest, smallest fish you could possibly find. Because all the big fish are sodded off with the mackerel. Ugh. Seal or something, because there's something big on the fish finder. It don't appear to be pollock, so it could be over 3 feet and I'm back into El Poisson minnow. Ooh, another minnow. El Poisson minnow. You're not carp fishing now, mate. Well, in a minute I'm going to stop fishing because this is stupid. El Poisson minnow. Yeah. World's smallest fish found under my kayak. Oh, you. Oh well, lost that one. It's getting more windy on the windy scale. On the wind-a-rooney scale, it is now very windy. want us to doesn't want us to fish. I think we've upset he, them, pride, they, show, green, yellow, him, it, nature. So I'm going back. I'm done and I'm going. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Fishing.
Yeah. Till I see what's around this corner, I'm going to go look round this corner and see what he's saying. If it's alright round the corner, I'm carrying on. And if it's dog shit, I'm going to keep going back until either I go in or find a bit that's a bit calmer. Slow and steady wins the race. I'm going to fucking hook a lure on the back of this kayak. Come here. Come here. Man, I'm going to crash into you. I owe you a crash. Come here. I'll fuck you in. It's quite nice here.